Welcome back. So it's another weekend here in Michigan. We're back at it. It's actually pretty nice weather outside today, so it's cool for walking in and out of the shop and don't get snowed on. What we've been concentrating on for today, as you were seeing in the last episode, we got the lift done. Kind of see back there, which is super sweet. It's a big ticket kicked. So today we're working on doing some electrical work, getting some lighting, and then we can start putting some items away. So I didn't film any of that, but over behind me there you can see I've got all those lights up. So we installed a piece of timber up above, and then we mounted some lights. That's it. So we mounted some lights up there. So it's actually a fairly simple solution, that one. They're Amazon LED lights. They got a plug on one end with a switch, and then we interconnect them. So I'm just going to tidy up some cabling there, and I'll give you a time lapse of me on the other side, putting the timber up, putting the lights up. Then we'll have the lights sorted up here on the two outsides, and then we'll get going on the middle. The other thing that I have done is I got Amy out here this morning to give me a hand. We pulled some, this is going to be our 220 point, so we got the power pulled into that. This is also going to be a loop through to 110 and then another 220 point down below for the welder. I'm probably going to put some more 110 across the wall over here today. So yeah, pretty much electrical stuff today. The point up here is actually for the compressor's going to go up right where I'm standing. So yeah, we'll got those cables pulled in, so we'll do some terminations up here, add some more points, make down below safe, get these lights up behind me as you'll see, and then we can start packing up here, so we can start tidying up some of the mess we got downstairs, start getting that sorted. So should be a pretty productive weekend getting that done. Okay, so that pretty much brings us to an end for this one. This is what it looks like from down here. I'm actually super stoked with it. So we got the storage on each side, got the lights in there, then I've also got the lights in the middle, and then where I want to put a powder coating room, we've got the lights and some power. We'll go up there, give you a quick run through of what you watched in those time lapse, and we can call this one done. So it's quite a long process getting these barns decked out, if you try and do it all yourself, that is, anyway. So we've got power along here. We've got power, more power. This area behind us here that you can see where those points are on that wall, we are eventually, definitely not now, or yeah, I really do want to get to building cars and getting these cars ready for next season, but eventually this will get sheeted in and boxed in, and then I'll have a little powder coating oven in here, all the powder coating set up over there. So that's what the long-term plan is for this. So for now, got some lights, we've got some power, and that's pretty much it for here. So this power can be left off. So that's that one done. We've got all these points along the wall here. So these ones here, we are going to put a bench up here. I think this is going to be actually probably the wiring area for where I do all the wiring on the cars. So I'll set a bench up here and have a bit of a wiring area. So that should be sweet. That's that switch for that one. Whoop, that switch for that one. that switch for that one. So that brings us to an end. Thanks for watching. It's upstairs is power wires now complete. On to the next project.